pop these out. So far, I don't see anything that stands out. But... oh my God!
I got worms.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, this is video number 4, I think, of the Torch Red project. This car used to be my dad's and now it is mine. I went all the way to Colorado to buy it back as a roller, and now we have it put together and it's sitting here on the ground. Unfortunately, we're dealing with some fueling issues, but we'll talk about that here in a second. So as you can see, guys, the car is looking fantastic. Well, I mean, it's dirty, obviously, but you know, about as fantastic as it can. Yep, she's all in there, looking good. Everything's kind of buttoned up, ready to be cleaned, really. But we are unfortunately facing some problems with this car. So if you guys did watch the last video, you would have noticed that we had a little bit of a fueling issue that was causing the car to kind of run out of fuel. We had to keep it alive with starting fluid. Well, we thought in the last video that it was the fuel filter. My good buddy Bradley brought me over a fuel filter. We put it in the car, thought it was running great. But it turns out it was still blowing fuses and it was still causing problems. We pretty much redone all the wiring, all the hoses in the hat. It's still blowing fuses, so either two things. Our fuse holder and fuse setup is just not working, or the car needs pumps, and I really think it's the second thing. I think the pumps are shot. The car had a booster pump on it with the aftermarket 340s in it, two 340s. I don't think the booster pump liked the 340s and vice versa, so I think they fried them immediately, and now the pumps aren't working as they should. Best way to describe what's going on with this car.
So that wasn't audible. What I was about to say was I wanted to hook up the X4 and do a diagnostic on the car and see what the fuel pressure was doing and the fuel pump duty cycle.
All right, so my SVT here is going to come to the rescue today. All right, here the pump's coming on. That's good. So on this thing, so here I have my parameter set up. What we're mainly looking at today is the fuel pump duty cycle right there and fuel rep pressure right there. I want to see the conjunction of those as the car is running, so let's get her jumped off again. Alright, we got the Terminator over there doing its thing. So now we're going to try this. Alright. Okay. There you go. All right. Interesting. Okay.
All right, for those of you that don't know what you're looking at here, let me learn you. On the right, we see fuel rail pressure. It is 1/2 pound of pressure. That is what the sensor is seeing. Mind you, this is what is left in the rails after the injectors have worked, but still, that should be like 17, not 1/2 pound. And on the left, we see fuel pump duty cycle. Now, for those wondering why, oh, it's only 0.49. 0.49 equals 100%. So right now it's at 100% duty cycle. So basically what's happening is the pumps are running at 100, and then the FPDM is like shutting them down after like a minute running like that because they're like running full blast.
All right, well, battery charged, and I think we have everything we need to. Officially try to fix this problem. So I'm gonna whip it over there and get the rear end of the car up and swap out the fuel hat for some stock pumps.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. Yeah, you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions when I'm not evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man. I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing. I just do what I was
she is.
because I feel I got the blessing. Persistence and obsession, that's how you keep progressing. I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again. No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like
This one should set down in there a lot easier than the other one.
Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on,
Go ahead.
I'll keep moving right along.
Again?
I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You
All right, again.
Coming out good?
feel like I'm a
A little bit, yeah. Go ahead.
I wanna have clear vision.
It's got pressure, but do it one more time. Okay, that's good. All right, so tank isn't installed, but it's like up in position.
I can hear them. They sound good.
Yeah, they do sound good, don't they? All right,
Fired up.
let's see if this fixes our problem. Nope, still having like dog shit.
Still low?
Yeah, it's still getting half a PSI. See, on that side of the rail, see the FR, and see that?
I'm taking shots at the enemy.
I wanted to pop these out. So far, I don't see anything that stands out, but... Oh my god.
What?
Oh shit, dude.
What?
It was full of worms.
Worms?
Yes.
Worms?
Dude, you gotta record this. This is unfucking believable.
Hold on.
Holy shit.
What?
Dude. Fucking worms, maggots.
That's a worm on, I mean this.
That's a whole bunch of worms, dude.
Oh, is it? Hold on, let me get a.
That's a whole stack of worms on your injector. That thing is clogged bigger than shit. Man, 43 years on this earth, I've never seen anything like that before. I bet you the whole, oh man.
So I think it's funny because of all of the work that we have done to chase this, and that's definitely it, 100%.
Yeah, we clean all that up. I think we'll be all right.
Top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new.
All right, we can't find rails, so we got the motherfucking Drano.
When I take a few shots, they're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me. I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing.
Sit there for a bit.
How long does it say? So that's it.
15 to 20 minutes.
So we'll set time for 20 minutes, come back.
I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You were not as tough
Going? All right.
All right. Maiden voyage in the car.
Yeah.
Hopefully it doesn't strand us down the road.
All right. Yeah, the car will stop, but.